Wait the sound and tell the people about the musical dish coming your way.
No, no, no. You don't love me, and I know now. No, no, no. You don't love me, yes, I know now. 'Cause you left me, baby, and I've got no place to go now. No, no, no.
Pull it, pull it.
Rice and peas and chicken is nice. Tastes so good, we got me yummy twice. Look, and you know me love to yummy rice. Pull up me portion, pull up me portion. Rice and peas and chicken is nice. Tastes so good, we got me yummy twice. Look, and you know me love to yummy rice. Pull up me portion, pull up me portion. Look, I don't want to argue with you. I'm just hungry, oh my God, I just want my food. Look, I don't want to argue with you. I'm just hungry, oh my God, I just want my food. Look, I don't want to argue with you. I'm just hungry, oh my God, I just want my food. Look, I don't want to argue with you. I'm just hungry, oh my God, I just want my food. God gave you skills to love for me to wear. I need nothing else so I can celebrate. 15 minutes is what you tell me because the rice is soft. That's what you tell me. Hold on, the most sour. Look on the back, you make me wait an hour. I never see a girl so fine like this before. My belly so big, it's real.
Sound a big thing now.
Stop your messing around. Better think of your future. Time you straighten right out. Creating problems in town. Routine. A message to you, routine. A message to you. Stop your fooling around. Time you straighten right out. Better think of your future, else you wind up in jail. Routine. A message to you, routine. A message to you.
Hello everyone, this is Coley. Coley Cat to some of us. Coley Cat's a rather interesting character. So for the next couple of days, we're going to be following him around and seeing what makes him tick. What do you think about that, Coley?
Look, mate, give it your best shot, pal. Give it your best shot, pal.
The other day I seen her creeping on the cooker top, but I just not got the heart to tell that cat to stop. Well, I sure do love that pussy. Love that pussy cat. Why don't, yeah. I'm here, kitty. Scratch my back.
What do you think about Coley Cat?
Honestly, if there was ever a human who was a cat,
This guy will be it. Look at him, man. Catting about. What do you think about Coley Cat?
What a cat, what can I say?
What do you think?
He is the best cat in West Bridgman.
What about
Crazy
you?
cat.
What do you think about Coley Cat? They've got no opinion. But the cat
is the cat. That's the cat side.
Don't fuck with Coley cat, basically.
One day I watched my kitty stumble to the yard. She caught that lonesome sparrow cleanly off his guard. Yeah, I love that pussy. I love that pussy cat.
One thing about Coley is basically Coley's like an easygoing guy, right? He's really well into his music. He's just
the guy.
He's just
Coley cat is just the guy.
right?